Once upon a time in Ghetto Land, the night before Christmas, a musical fantasy, is Christmas as you've never seen it before.
I'm such a wonderful everybody ought to be mellow.
'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
Say what? 3 live mice. See how we run. A Christmas party is now on tap for 3 live mice. We got the cheese, so let's go.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
We got the cheese, let's go.
The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in serious hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Santa, we've been waiting, hanging here so long. Our hearts are fading. Please don't do us wrong. The children are praying that you come through. And if you don't, darn it, they won't talk about you and your mama too.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds while visions of chitlins danced in their heads.
Dance, chitlins, dance. It ain't very often we get this chance, so dance, chitlins, dance. Christmas time tonight.
When what to my wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and some fine reindeer.
We are known as Santa Claus's reindeer. Well, let us tell you exactly why we came here. 'Cause there ain't nothing happening at the North Pole. It's dead, low, slow, and it's freezing cold.
You won't want to miss Rudolph the Rappin' Reindeer and Mrs. Shawanda Claus.
'Cause I'm Buster Rudolph.
I'm Mrs. Claus.
We get no respect from Santa Claus.
I can help you to succeed, supply your every need, if you only let me.
I can help you guide your sleigh, show you the way, but you gotta let me.
And the one and only soulful Santa Claus.
I'm just like Coca-Cola. I'm the real thing. 'Cause I brought you lots of good things so many times before.
See what happens when Santa Claus' fine reindeer go on strike on Christmas Eve.
Have gone on strike. 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 Give the rent respect. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Respect.
The Night Before Christmas, a musical fantasy, features spectacular production numbers and show-stopping songs performed by the Grammy Award-winning Sounds of Blackness. Christmas is all good in the hood with the Sounds of Blackness.
Christmas Day is on the way. It's in the air. We're feeling everywhere. My brothers and my sisters, every day's Christmas Jubilee.
Your holiday season will never be the same once you experience The Night Before Christmas, a musical fantasy.